Hello, my name is Julie.
Oh, hi, my name is Ja.
And I'm Supanchai.
I'm Shi.
Hello.
This is Supanchai.
Yes, I am.
So, have you arrived in Laos?
Yes,
Where are you now?
we are at the airport of Laos.
Okay, so we like to congratulate me because this month is a Hmong festival.
Oh, that sounds great. But I'm not sure yet. Let me ask my friend first.
Okay,
Okay, I'll call you later.
okay, see you.
Okay, see you. Hey, I have a friend in Kilometer too. He would like to invite us to visit him in his New Year.
Oh, this is nice.
So how do you think?
I think so. It's right. It's great.
Okay, if you think so, we go to visit him, right?
Okay. Okay. So, how can we go?
Okay, I will call him to give us about the direction.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey guy, we decided to visit you, but we don't know how to get there.
Okay, so you go to the bus station, and the bus says site Camp 52, and you take the bus and you come to my village.
Does the bus show the number of 52?
Sure.
Okay, we will find the bus.
Okay, and if you arrive Camp 52 and you call me, I will pick up you.
Okay, I will call you then.
Okay, see you later. Very tired. I heard about it. So, where's your friend? So, why so long?
Maybe he's coming. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Are you hungry?
Sure.
Me too.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm
And
fine
this
too.
is my friend.
Wow, that's
Yes.
great. So, what is your name?
My name is Shi.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Okay.
So, how are you?
Yeah, my name is Ju.
Okay.
So maybe we have to go to my house.
Sure.
Okay.
Because we are so tired, we need to stay in your house or
Okay.
the guest house.
Maybe I don't have enough place for you. Maybe you should stay in the guest house.
So, do you have
Yeah,
guest
sure.
house?
What?
So, do you have guest house?
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
We can find at the market.
okay.
Okay.
So,
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. House.
Oh, nice.
oh,
You have a big house.
it's very nice.
It's very old, but I think it's a more traditional house.
Your house is very big, so how many people in your family?
There are 4 or 5 people in my family.
Do you have any brothers?
Sure, I have 2 younger brother and 1 younger sister.
Oh, yeah.
So, okay, come in.
Okay.
Tired?
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Okay.